Sanibonane bafethu. Hey bafethu, yazi la empilweni ngiyangibona ukuthi noma ungaba ne-driver's license for 15 to 20 years, if ungamamele ungahambe ngemithetho yendlela, hayi wena you are not the driver for me. Yabo, wena awukwazi ukudrive wena. Because awulandeli imithetho yendlela. I-speedometer semoto yakho sithi 220. Indlela ithi 120, ithi 100, ithi 80. Wena ufuna ukuyojika ikhefu nge-220, yini la benibulala abantu? Yabo, even nasempilweni bafethu, kunemithetho yokuphila, imithetho yempilo. Asiforcewa, nobody's forcing you. Yabo, respect yourself, usihloniphe, ube ne-peace for yourself. That way, it will reflect to other people automatically. Bazozibona kuwe lezi zinto. Yabo, imithetho yempilo leyo. Yabo, endleleni indlela kunala iphelela khona mfowethu. Even if ingavenjwa ulwandle ufuna ukuya ngale, there's a transport ukuya ngale. Hamba uthatha i-transport right ekuyi-airplane. Uyangithola, ungafuni ukuya ngescooter wena oversea. Uforced wena ngoba unamandla. Impilo ayisebenzi kanjalo. Kunala kufuneka amandla, kunala kufuneka ingqondo ucabange. Kunala kufuneka abantu. You understand? And that way you will succeed. There is no limit in life in terms of success. Ukuthi wena ufuna ukuyaphi. Yabo? Indlela mayiphelele. When you take left or right, awubuyele emuva. Or uhlale lapho ukhale ucomplain indlela iyaphelela. Hayi. Uthatha left or right. Ukhetha impilo indlela obonayo ukuthi le ayinabungozi. Le iyahambeka. Naba nabanye abantu bayahamba. Yabona? Abantu abalungile, abantu aba-right. Indlela e-right uyibona ngaleyo nto ngokuhanjwa abantu aba-right. Ungayile kuyikhokho abo apha. Uzolahleka wena. Yabo? So bafethu ngilana ke. Ngicela ungibambe laphayana kuSoweto FM every Monday. Yimi no Chinito, yimi no Sbuda. From 12 to 3 o'clock. Lapho khona sizama ukushintsha bafethu ukuthi Monday abafana bethu new generation ibone ngenye indlela, ingayiboni ngalendlela esibulele ukuthi boys holiday, Monday nesihlamahlama, Monday iyakhathaza, automatically uyakhathala Monday. No bafethu, no. It's like game wena uthi kumntwana ayeke ukufunda January angajahi. Yabo? Ngoba ukhathele from December ngithi. It was Sunday December. Ngama Christmas nayo unesiphithi umtshela ukuthi angafunde from January kolomasivulo azofunda boma June July uzofail umntanakho. I'm telling you. Yabo, but kuleyo ndlela yama Monday bafethu nane nesipanayo la hloniphana imisebenzi yenu. It's a fresh Monday. Kumele sikubone fresh because uphumulile mos. Into edakwa leyo, into abantu abangazi ukuthi they have fun until what time. Uyemsebenzini uyavuka ngo5 wena ulala ngo3 ulala nentombazana ucabanga ukuthi uzophumelela emsebenzini bayokubona ukuthi uqhamuka udakiwe Clive abakuqoshe or bakubekela once bayafula baqala ngawe apa #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Sibonga.